The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your drive. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and proceed to settings. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on manage storage right here. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on clean up space. Then here you go. Scroll down right here. And then you have your Google Drive right here. Click on Google Drive. Then here you go. At this point right here, you have some of the large files. You have files in trash, as the case may be. Now, for you to delete any of the large files, you have them right here by default. So go ahead and make sure you select on large file. Then review and delete as many as possible large file you have in right here. So I'm going to select this. So you can imagine I'm going to save about 343 megabytes right here. If I get rid of this file, I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select this, select this, select this, select this, select this. You can select as many as possible large files from your Google Drive, and then go ahead and get them deleted successful. So I'm going to select this, just like so. I'm going to save about 1 gig file storage. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on delete from the top right here. And then next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then lastly, we go ahead and click on permanently delete. Just like so. Clean up 1.1 gigabytes. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on done right here. And you are done. You can review and delete as many as possible large files from your Google Drive. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.